Torras crystal clear case, and this is the clear version all the way around. They do make other color options where you can get one with like a blue and a red and a few other color options so that the actual edging on it is a different color, but we still keep the clear backing, which is really, really nice. This is more or less a minimalist type case, so someone who likes to maybe have their phone naked, but then if they're worried about dropping it, they want to have a little bit of protection, so this is a great minimalist design case. 360 protection all around. Let's grab my iPhone 12 right here and we'll throw it right in. We'll just slap it right in from all the sides, just right there. And as you can see, just a great all-around case. Still gives you that protection, still keeps the thinness of it, but with those edgings on there, because it's got a little bit of give from the gel of the case, it does give it excellent protection when you're holding it. So great to grip, easily to use here. If we look at the top, you can see it kind of shows right through your phone. There's your protection on the bottom right there, and still just not too bad for drop protection. It's not gonna be the best overall. We do have a light lip right here for your camera, so we know that's gonna be protected nicely. And I just like the grip feeling to it. So if you put your phone down or anything like that, it's gonna be slightly grippy, which is always good to have. Sometimes you lean your phone up and rest it somewhere, so this does offer a little bit of grip protection for that. So Torras case, guys, check out the different color options where you can get the edging in the different color, as well as the current pricing. It's a very good, well-priced case, minimalist type design. Check it out in the link down below.